In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to send photos and videos from your Mac to your iPhone. First, make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and ensure AirDrop is set to contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. Open your Mac, open Finder and click AirDrop in the sidebar. Make sure Allow Me to be discovered by is set to contacts only or everyone. Now, select the photos or videos you want to send. You can do this from Photos app, Finder, or even drag files directly. Right click and select Share, then choose AirDrop. Your iPhone should appear as an option. Click on your iPhone's name. On your iPhone, you'll see a notification asking to accept the files. Tap Accept and the transfer will begin instantly. Large files may take a few moments, and that's it. Your photos and videos are now on your iPhone and will appear in your Photos app. AirDrop makes transferring files between Apple devices incredibly simple and fast.